Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you, is it worth to upgrade your LooksMax AI app or not? So let's get started. So here I will just open my LooksMax, and here I will just click on here maybe later, and then here I will just click on the settings. So then here I have to click on here. Then from here you can see, then it is showing like jawline in it. So basically this app uh, set us the routine for our jawline and hair, right? Okay, you can directly set it from here and you can use it. So by this way you can do it, and it's a worth it app to purchase, to invest your money here. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.